Hi guys, it's Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing for you guys this new product that has come out in the market, and this is the Kaya Hair Dandruff Control Shampoo. So let's just get started with the review. So this is how the product looks like. This one retails for Rs 490 for 225 ml of product. So it is a little more expensive than your regular shampoo, but this is definitely for a specific issue that you have in your hair care routine. This product is available at the Kaya kiosks across the country, as well as a lot of online retailers. The dandruff is something that I generally go through during the winter time, so I wanted to get my hands on the good anti-dandruff shampoo. To be honest, I've used a lot of these popular anti-dandruff shampoos, and most of them really don't work much for me. I did not want to review it just like that, but I used it on myself for a couple of times before I thought of making this video. And if you're talking about their skincare products and haircare products, they have a good name in the market. They are a research-based brand, so develop a product with a lot of research before they actually launch it. So I was very keen on using this one. This one says the formula has been researched and developed by dermatologists, so yeah, that's where it is important. It says the easy to rinse, gentle purifying shampoo mildly cleanses scalp and removes dandruff while rebalancing scalp moisture, leaving hair soft and flake free from the first wash. Enriched with marine algae, pyroxone, olamine and salicylic acid, this shampoo reduces itching, soothes scalps, works against the formation of new dandruff. This one has salicylic acid, and I've heard that salicylic acid is very effective for dandruff reduction, and this one claims that it visibly reduces the flakes from the first wash. Now I have used this for a total of 3 times, and from the first wash itself I could find like a little bit of a difference. Now I did not have too much dandruff on my hair, but it was getting a little flaky due to a lot of oil that I use in my hair, and also due to the dry weather during this time. So apart from all these things and the other ingredients, the best thing about this is it is paraben free and there is no artificial colors added to the product, which is a yay for me. Coming to the texture of the shampoo, this one is almost a white color, and the biggest point that I would say about the shampoo is the fragrance. The fragrance is almost nil. You will find a little bit of almost like a sea breezy kind of a fragrance, but it is very subtle. Even after wash, when I try smelling my hair, I don't really find much of a fragrance, which is okay with me. I really like that. Now I did wash my hair with it a couple of hours ago, and I just used it once. I didn't use it twice the way you are supposed to, and I didn't use any conditioner. So I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks like with this product only being used once. So my hair was a complete mess. I went to the gym and my hair was like sticky, oily and greasy, and I just used this shampoo to see how it works on really bad hair like that. See my hair? Now, I won't say this is the most silkiest I can find my hair. No, it's not. Maybe because of the limited usage, it does feel very clean. But I think texture-wise, it's fine. I don't have any complaints about it. It's just that it's not like silky smooth hair. Of course, if you use a conditioner, if you use it more number of times, it makes a difference. So yeah, maybe because of that. It did remove all the grease and all the oil and the sweat that was in my hair. So it's like completely sketch clean. And this is reality, guys. I just used it a couple of hours ago and this is how my hair looks. So you know exactly how the hair is after the wash. My hair feels a little bit like little hard, like I won't say too rough, but it's not really silky smooth, but it is soft. It makes my hair like soft, nice and clean. So that's about how the texture and the work is. Now in terms of removing dandruff, I did have some flakes over here, this part, and it visibly reduced it a lot. Like if you guys can see, it's like reduced it a lot. And sorry, my hair is in a really bad mess because of the discoloration, so I need to like color my hair now. So here the dandruff visibly reduced a lot. It was kind of flaky due to the oil secretion and everything, but thankfully it did work. So I think that was it for what I felt. Now, do I feel that there needs to be some improvement? I don't think so. This product is good. I won't say this is the most fantastic product that I've seen of all times, not like that, but this is a good product and worth a try for people especially with dandruff issues. So if you are facing dandruff issues like regular dandruff issues, or you have like really heavy dandruff, and if you live in a very or very dry place, like especially in the western region, when I used to be in Gujarat and it used to get so dry and flaky during the winters, this is a definite must try for you. I would highly recommend it for people with dandruff issues because it is pretty effective. There are few numbers over here if you guys can see, and it says number 2. This is actually the series of products that are there in this range. So you have like 4 products for the dandruff control range, and this is the second product that needs to be used in the range. There are a few more, so I will maybe list it down below somewhere here about the range so that you can check that out as well. Overall, a great shampoo for dandruff issue people and a must try for all. It may be a little more expensive, but I would tell you it is worth using once and seeing how effective it is on you, because it was effective on me in terms of the dandruff control. So yeah, definitely recommend it for all you guys. And for my rating for the shampoo would be a 4 out of 5. So guys, with that we are done with today's video. Hope you guys really liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please press on the bell icon below to get a regular notification every time I upload a video. You can also check all my social media accounts. All the links will be down in the description box below. I will also be linking down the product link so that you can go ahead and check it out and purchase it in case you like it from the link below in the description box. Please do let me know if you have used the product, if you're planning to use, what are the doubts you have. If you have any doubts, any video requests, you can put it down in the comment section. I love to read it. Thank you all you guys for the support and love you guys give. So every view, every like is appreciated. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It really matters a lot to me. So with that, we're done with today's video. Hope you guys have a fabulous week ahead. Ciao!